Welcome back to Erika's Best, where I will bring you the best of the best and more. Well, today we're doing our 25 days of cookies. And today we're doing, what do you think? We got graham crackers, we got chocolate, we got marshmallows. Yes, you're right, a s'mores cookie. So right here I have my butter, my sugar, and my egg with my vanilla creaming. And I'm gonna let that hold for a minute while I chop my chocolate. This is just a Hershey's chocolate bar that I'm gonna chop up into some bite-sized pieces to put into this cookie. And Hershey's makes it easy because they're already in these little squares. So all I have to do is just cut them a little bit smaller to go in this cookie. And that's what I'm going to do. So, alright, now that we have that chopped, we're going to put that aside. We're going to start adding our dry ingredients. To our mixer. Once they start coming together, we will add our mix-ins in and be ready for our cookies. Check this out a little bit. So this is what your cookie batter should look like. It should be looking almost like a chocolate chip cookie batter. And to this, I'm going to add my chocolate. I'm going to add my marshmallows, which is about a cup of marshmallows. And the full recipe will be in the description box. And then I'm going to add in some graham crackers. Let me see what that looks like. I'm going to add in a few more of these, and then we'll be ready to bake. Okay, so that's what your batter should look like right now, with your s'mores and your chocolate chips and your marshmallows all mixed in. And we're going to bake these off at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes, and I'll see you in a minute. So I have my prepared baking sheet, and now I'm going to bake these cookies. They want to be about 2 inches apart. Fridays to comment the word of the day so that you can get some fresh baked cookies delivered to you. So I thank you for watching, and bye for now. To share. And that's what it's all about. Sharing. Sharing. You know. So And we again are going to bake these at 350 degrees. So I'm going to go pop these in the oven and I'll see you back. Well, our s'more cookies are done. They look delicious. I'm going to taste one. Oh, that marshmallow. I taste that ooey gooiness of the marshmallow, the chocolate. I taste the graham. It's a good cookie. Definitely a good cookie. Sorry. That's a good cookie. I hope you try this cookie. Please remember to like, to share, to hit that subscription button, and remember to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Please continue watching my 25 days of cookies, and I'll see you next time.